All right, the car's been causing a lot of commotion since it arrived yesterday. So I wanted to pull everybody together and tell you guys what we're gonna do with it. Before I do, I want to apologize if my voice sounds funny. I get fairly emotional when I do this or do cool shit for you guys. Number one, because I'm in a position that I'm able to. I tried to find some pictures last night of cars I grew up around. Most of you wouldn't recognize them except for Eddie. But I had a four-cylinder Mustang, my dad had a four-cylinder Mustang for most of my childhood that you had to push start because we couldn't afford a starter for it. He wouldn't put a starter on the car, so we were parked, we parked on a hill. We also had a Ford LTD for a couple of years that I used to drive him home drunk in the bars. So cars have always been cool to me, they've always been special to me, and I know to a lot of you guys, they're very special as well. Jay and Taylor both have proof of that because they have been given cars since they've been here. And this car is going to get given to an employee today as well. I try to do this as often as I can. I try to do special shit for you guys. Sean's been with us for a long time, and Sean's got his car is over there. Well, over there now. It's the triple bank and the transmission that's in his car because he already had a damn nice car. And I could hopefully point out a little something for each of you guys that I've done over the years. This one's going to be a little bit different. This person hasn't been here nearly as long as the rest of you did to earn it, but this person brings a lot to the table, is going to be an important part of the company moving forward, and needs something positive in his life right now with all that's going on. So, Pat, come on up here. Pat's been with us for not even 2 months yet. Probably done about a week's worth of work since he's been here. But
feels like it. Yeah.
He's been transporting for us for a lot of years and has a great reputation within the community and helped us out tremendously and has a lot going on in his life. So I wanted to get him something after seeing his face in the black Camaro last week. So that being said, unfortunately, I wasn't able to get him anything after driving the black Camaro last week, other than you can have the keys anytime you want. So
I'm good for a while. Thank you.
The car is actually going to somebody that's been with us for coming up on 5 years next month, who came into the building with a desire to be part of the family, to be part of what we do in a higher level than just an employee, to take things to another level for us. She fixed our books to where I was able to purchase this building several years ago, and I was not able to do that with our CPA for several years. She got us qualified on the first round of the Paycheck Protection Program so that we could stay in business. She got us the EIDL fund as well. And as she stands over here in tears, she picked her own car thinking it was for Patrick last week. So, Genevieve, these are for you. Jocelyn, check out your new whip. Jocelyn's on FaceTime over there.
Excuse me. Hi, baby.
Genevieve, if you guys don't know, she is in my office, and every time we do something car related, someday I'm going to do this, someday I'm going to do that, someday I'm going to buy a car, someday I'm going to be with you guys. She was out in the street filming when we all went to ride go-karts the other day, and then sent me a bunch of texts with all the pictures and wish I could be with you guys. The F-Body Mafia has kind of gotten bigger and more real. You've even got me in one. So it just dawned on me after doing the PPP deal with getting that and being so instrumental in everything that she does daily. You guys know that she has helped every person in this building at some point or another, and really she's set to do books and be an office manager. So I wanted to reward her for all of her efforts and show our appreciation for all that she does for this company, because trust me when I tell you that without somebody as dedicated as her, as we all are, there's no way that the office would run the way it does and we would get done the amount of shit that we would get done, from funding on these loans to buying the building to having the credit that we have and having the organization that we have. So check out your new ride, girl. You already know about it. You picked it online.
You liar!
Yep.
God, it's beautiful. That's my child. Oh my word. I can't wait. Thank you.
You're welcome.